Today, you will learn how to search for a word in a Word document and replace it. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, or go to the Home tab and click Find. The navigation pane will open on the left side. Type the word you want to search for, and Word will instantly highlight every match and show how many times it appears in your document. You can click any result or use the up and down arrows to move through each match. If you need more accurate results, click the arrow next to Find, choose Advanced Find, then click More and enable options like Match Case if you only want to find words with the exact uppercase and lowercase letters. To replace a word with another word, go to the Home tab and click Replace, or simply press Ctrl+H. In the Find What box, type the word you want to replace. In the Replace With box, type the new word. Click Find Next and then Replace to change one occurrence at a time, or click Replace All to replace every matching word in the entire document instantly. That's it! If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe.